everybody understood what to buy, what not to buy. So very clearly stated yesterday it should give a gap up tomorrow. So it's a good gap up, like around not in Bank Nifty. I'm happy with the Bank Nifty premiums and also gap ups. There is two reasons because it's 180 points gap up doesn't help us much. Only future players, only I've told them to switch over to April futures. Only that's going to help down you guys. So pretty well, these are the options which are stated on the spikes over here, 35,993. Excuse me. So pretty flat markets yesterday. Completely, we saw some flat markets. So open market is gapping up over here. So let's come to the point very clearly. Uh, Option players, option writers, take care about your trades, BTST trades, option and futures, both heads players also please take care about your trades. Premium is too hefty, and this week it's going to be the year end. More volatility will be there, most volatility will be there. So you want to have a very, very planned and perfect game. Okay. Yeah. So only ITMs. We'll go with ITMs. I'm going to go with ITMs. Even trading on futures is not bad today. And again, I'm telling you, these are some untested points in the bottoms. Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, exactly. So let's see what's going to happen. So 35,900 is going to be the biggest support on the upside on futures. Uh, yeah, both future and spot, I can say it's not a big deal. But I'm not little interested too much over here. So let's see what's going to happen. Today is very, very important day. So I'll tell you evening what's going to happen on Monday. Okay. Don't overtrade. It is my personal advice. So don't go against the markets. 3500 calls, very strictly, I'm telling you. There'll be a rejection mode. Couple of areas. Let's see open market how it's going to drive. So 664 is the closing, and 684 is showing, but it can have a drive towards 900. Excuse me, extremely sorry. 890 ranges, 870, 890 ranges we can see. Let's see open market how it's going to drive. Yeah, bottom is untested. 35,200 is untested. So we'll have a very cautious game. Both things I have told you very specifically and clearly. So let's see, few seconds to go. 15 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. Game on. So 735 is the high. Uh, Still it should go on. We'll see what's happening over here first and then take a trade. So no messing up trades. So straightly we want to have a drive. So if you're bought in, nothing to worry. So very clearly stated over there. So keep 10-15 points maximum stop losses. Don't over trade on this trade. So puts, have an eye, very good eye on puts. Bottom is untested 35,200. So they may target that. Yeah, exactly. Uh, Let me focus on, as I told you, the breakout points. Uh, it's not big negative in order flow. Yeah, 20K negative. I think still there is option and opportunity for them. But wait, not too much. Till this breakout, I told you, till it breaks, will not punch in orders. Yeah, straight away 35,500 puts. I told you. Yeah, executed order, limit orders executed. 525, 525, 528, 530, 530 plus 532. So it's going on. Let's trail a stop loss, book some slabs 50-50 on the go and just trail a stop loss and go. I told you right, exactly after this breakout, we'll buy. So uh, 550 plus. So it's a beautiful trade. Let me book some gains over here. So rest of the volumes will trail the stop loss, cost or minus cost. We'll do it. That's not a big deal. Excuse me, sorry. Trail stop loss to cost or maximum 10 points. So don't give any money to markets today. That is my humble request. So yeah, trailing stop loss, don't retrade it. We look at the calls now. I'm buying options 35,500 calls. I'm buying it. Small volumes, let me accumulate. 650 executed. Let me average in bottom if I get. My stop loss will be maximum smaller stop losses, not big. 640 also I have bought accumulated. So my total stop loss and average it's going to be like 15 points. 620 I'm going to take my stop losses, not more than that. Puts also nothing to worry. So it's on a hold. So trailing stop loss I've told you how to deal with that. So based on that, if stop loss hidden calls, automatically the puts will give you super money. But I'm damn sure today, uh, for some time, at least for some time, they want to rise over here. I want to look at the order flow, what's happening. 53,000 negatives. We'll exit the calls, call stop loss it. Okay, okay. We want to get an order flow follow through over here. So we'll add some more volumes. Only if we get a precise price, I'll place the limit order. Because one time they want to carry, I've told you, they can retrace and then fall down more. So adding there a little. So 560 plus 567 plus. Trail your stop losses in puts if you are holding. Volatile game. The first 30 minutes, I want them to stay up. I've told you. So brainy people, uh, they let the stop losses both sides and think so. Give me a sec. I want to see the things, what's happening. 5 minutes candle. Uh, there is no negligible thing over here. So just premium melting over here. So I told you they want to retrace first little and then come down. So I was just checking the calls, what's happening with them. But I got a clear clarity that there is nothing to do, deal with them too much. But it's also in a very supportive zone. If it falls from there, definitely it's going to tumble down towards downside. So 580 below, it should come down very badly. Calls. So uh, we can take this opportunity to write calls. 580 plus plus in puts. So the losses which I took that 15 points over here, 20 points odd, 15 to 18 points odd in calls I recovered over here. So let me book that things. I just want to check limit order has it executed or not. It's all open market trades at 922. We are in profits, guys. We are in profits, and this volatile markets you want to be extra cautious. hmm Yeah, it's very important to stay cautious. I think easily we'll get money in this business today. So easily they want to come down to these levels. Easily these levels. I'm waiting for these levels to happen. If this level happens, we'll make super money inputs. 35,500 puts. Obviously 600 plus we'll see, 650 plus we'll see, and more also it's possible, even 770. So let me book some chota volumes. Let me book some volumes. Let me trial my stop losses. Put your trailing stop loss over here on puts. 605 plus plus trailing stop loss more. Easily they want to come down 200 points more. They want to come down over here, guys. Yeah, easily they want to come down over here. So pre-market, that's why I tell you all the analysis, what can happen, what not can happen. And exactly a breakout only we bought, but trailing stop loss. Hit also, it's you know that rule, thumb rule, what to do. Why they hit it, I told you they'll retrace it properly back and then come down. So it happened. So sometimes you want to take extra stop losses. It depends upon individual. Let me place my order and book some more profits. Limit orders, guys, limit orders. Don't exit markets. If you want, you can exit markets, but you'll lose some points. So let's see, it's 923. Trading good, trading not bad. Uh, yeah, 582 is the bottom on 3500 calls. I want to break out below that. So that's the reason I'm telling. Trailing stop loss tight in the calls. Sorry, puts. Put options 3500 has given robust money. I think easily they want to make more money, but reason is 580 is very strong in 3500 calls. So based on that, I'm telling you. So if that 580 range is broken and taken down, we'll see super money. More down, more down, more down. It's not enough. 570 also they want to bring down. So trailing stop loss maximum now. What you want, please take care about your trades now. Don't mess with the markets and don't sit and cry after it's your stop losses hit. Okay, so be mature, be an amateur. Excuse me, extremely sorry. Now, if you want to take risk, any more positions, I'm telling you very strictly, cautiously, you want to hedge your positions now. We'll see to look the hedge the positions. I think so approximately. Let me go and hedge the positions now in calls. I think so. Mm, let me think. Yeah, no issues, no issues. We don't need it. 623 is the high. 624 is trading now. Puts are trading at 624. 625. So let me book some more profits. Sorry. So exactly in this line, it's stretching and bouncing back. So I don't want to mess with the markets. That's one thing I tell you every time. Don't know what's going to happen. 1.22 lakh volumes, not bad. But I say very important thing we need to break down. Stronger, more stronger. It's must break down. There's not giving up. The calls are not giving up. Let me hit some positions over here with 20 points risk for rest of the volumes. Yeah, if I lose this 20 points or 25 points, or example, uh, I want to get 40 watt points over here. That's a thumb rule. Yeah, exactly. You can see this bounce where it's happening. The delta is negative, XYZ. I don't know any cats and dogs over here. But still, why I wanted to lose the 20 odd points over there? Reason is my planning is going to be a very big plan. Example, I have 12 my stop losses now on 3500 puts. Exactly. So I want to sell this puts completely now. So I'm holding only 3500 puts and with the trailing stop losses cost plus a very good points. 590 it's trading like I'll try my stop loss too. Yeah, 85, 80, 580. Yeah, trailing stop losses hit and calls is giving a lot of money now. So 585 average 3500 calls, 610. Let me scalp some points. Uh, yeah, a little bit more. You see this exactly where it's bouncing back. Where are my lines? Where are our things? It's all pre-decided, guys. Let me book some more profits in calls. Let me put my orders. So trailing stop loss hit inputs. Well, it's deserved it. So some bulk orders are there. They want to sell. So great. So I just exited my profits over here in calls. They'll melt off. Premium will melt off. Huge premium. 3500 calls is trading at 600 rupees. Oh my god, devastating premium. Oh my god. So it was good decision taking, squaring of the positions. Not bad. Good game. So let's see what's going to happen for a couple of minutes. What's happening with futures. Check the futures, guys, including futures. It's trading very great here, exactly at the trends. So exactly support zones. It's trading very good, not bad. So let's plan out. Let's plan out. So my target is almost done, 99%. Uh, yeah, pretty good money. So good plan of exiting also very good. We saw big orders like 40, 50,000 orders. Ah, limit orders. I think they are going to kill them all. No, it's premium melting game. So I don't want to mess it up anywhere in this markets today. I want to be very clear in this business today. So let's go for the point over here. And I think it's enough. We'll have a break now. I don't want to mess it up more. 660 it should travel. Let me buy some volumes, little high, smaller volumes, chota toffee volumes will buy. So for brokerage, petrol expenses has become more now. Petrol prices increased. So I think we'll we'll take toffee stop loss, toffee points. So we'll risk 5% of today's profits and take this trade inputs. 5% of today's profits. Complete today's profits, 5%. We'll take this and we'll exit the points. 5%. So example, if you made 10,000 rupees, 500 rupees you can risk, 1 lakh rupees, 5,000 risk in profits, not in a capital. So I'm not responsible for your losses. I have told you very clearly in the beginning. So we'll go at 15 minutes Dhamaka. Excuse me. 10 minutes game should get over. 10 minutes. I don't know about any other stuff over here. So 624, 624, 625. So 660 and odd and above also they want to trade till 770. Let's see, it's very tough game over here. It's really looking a little thug over here today. 620 odd. Anybody bought 600 ranges? 605. 620 is trading. If you want, you can scalp out. Uh, you need to have patience. There's two options. Trade is the patience. No big volume coming down. Nothing follow through is coming down. So I want to mess it up with anything over here. So I am not looking comfortable. Take some piece of loss, smaller loss. What do you think? So uh, mind is devil. So 15 points odd. I'll take the pro losses over here. Premium is melting, guys. Premium is melting quick. So I won't take risk too much. Mm, okay, stop losses hit. Is it so? Yeah, stop loss has gone down. Let me take a tricky move. The 15 points odd lot we lost 5%. Let's keep that 5% odd over here. So I'm going to buy nothing for now. So it's enough for the day. We have made around 4.5 to 5% of capital gains with the two using a 20% capitals over here today. So fantastic trades, not bad. It's a good trading day. So some accumulations going on, some exiting going on. So both sides there is a war zone, very big war zone. So I want to mess it up because volumes are very thin technically, but 660 is remaining bloody on this. Yeah, 660 to 730 it's remaining. Hmm. Yeah, it's a very good projection. Can't mess with the markets anymore. So if you want, you can hold it. So I'm not liable for your profits or losses if you're holding 35, 500 puts for great targets because I think you have done pretty well today. So I think you want to exit and stay calm because why you want to risk 25 points? Okay, if you're taking a smaller lot, then it's half and half lots. Then it's good, not bad. Like for risking 5%, if you want to take 100, there you have taken 50. So you want to take more risk. So you can do it, it's not bad. But when you trade this game, you want to be cautious. So, yeah, it's good, not bad. Your decision was not bad. I appreciate it. I think it about after this, I don't see any big trading sessions. I think so. It's pretty hard today. I'm going to tell you, it's going to be pretty hard for everyone. Everyone. Four consistent candles they have came down. It's not about candles, it's about volumes. So there is no pretty good volumes over here in these two candles. So I'm not so happy with that. Technically, yeah, still in a short sell, but I'm not happy with that. I want calls to rise some. It depends. It depends. So, where more it can come down, its bottom testing points. Now I'm telling you, 35, 200, and 35,240 ranges, they can come down more if they come down straightly. Otherwise, no. Okay, it's a very strong point. Yeah, twirling stop. That stop loss has gone means the gone. I'm not going to re-enter the any trades. I'm telling you, 35,500 calls has a capacity to surprise. Yes, it has a capacity to surprise and go up still 40, 50 points more. Because first 30 minutes we expected it should be a bull, but it came down. It was a gap up that was very important. That thing is done, but okay, untested points also it came down and tested. Uh, and still more they want to melt down. That is one concern I'm still waiting. Yeah, they want to come down still more, like 35,230. I told you, 30 to 40 ranges. So that is tricky point. So I don't want to miss anything. If you want to buy anything of 3500 puts, you can buy about days high for 20 30 points gain, fast gains. But I'm not advising it. Okay, I'm done for the day. Done means done. Beautiful trades, beautiful sessions. Not a bad deal. Very great deal. So 937, 1030 profits. We are reducing it to maximum below 945. So it's very, very important. It's very, very important. Okay. So you should have an idea. Why I didn't give these trades? Reason is already my risk of the day was 5% on the profits. It's done. So I don't want to mess it up anything. So this one was not bad, but risk was around 30 points. So 1:1 trade. I don't trade, you know very well. So I didn't like the trade because 10 15 points you're taking, even 30 to 45 points you're gaining. That's good, not bad. So less than that, I'm not interested. Yeah, pretty well, I'm not interested in that trades. It's pretty good trade actually. So 3500 calls, at least they want to go, yeah, the 20, 30, 35 points you had or gains, but it was 1:1 trade. My was profitable one. So we're done for the day, guys. We're done for the day. Bang, bang. It's done for the day. We don't have any things to, more things to happen over here. So it's all about reading the bloody mindset of operators. It's all about the magic is the complete alchemy is reading the operators. What is an operator? How can he trade with the markets? How he's going to decide the trades? How, what is his mindset? What are their all goes? How they perform? How they must trade? Why I expected tomorrow a gap up? Why I'm expecting a gap down? So everything in this month, two expiries, yesterday and a couple of weeks back, the expiries has given a robust money, like 80 rupees option. We ended up booking at profits of 400 to 800 profits. One is to 10x gains, like 10 times money we made. I think even 50% odd means 1 is to 5x at least we made in the OTM BTSC trade, open markets trade. And when it comes to Bank Nifty and yesterday also, we made 1 is to at least 100% capital gains, 120% capital gains without fail inputs. So the both sides, calls and puts, what are the things is going to be? This is a beautiful opportunity where we are making a lot of money, a lot of hopes, and a lot of confidence. With confidence, we are trading on this. So practically, we have made around in this month more than 140% capital gains on the investment gains. I can't tell capital gains on the investment gains because we can't pump all the capitals inside specifically on events like this on expiry days because open markets fatafat it can become zero from 80 it can become zero. So what risking money, example 100 quantities 8,000, okay, this is my risk, okay, let's go. So you get like 5x money, 8 5 is 45,000 money, then it's a great deal. That's called opportunity and using the opportunity and trading. So it's completely based on OPS strategy that I can't teach that, you know very well. So soon we are coming up more affordably on coming up for live voice broadcast, more expanded way and complete on pan India basis. So offline also we are planning down. So let's see, let's hope for the best and come down tomorrow. Don't overtrade. Today is Friday. It's going to be melting day. It's going to kick your ass today, and you're going to lose money if you sit complete day in the markets today. Telling you, I promise you, two sides. They're going to kick your ass after 45 minutes of the markets. They're going to screw everybody happiness today melting down. Okay, the valuation of 3500 calls is not 600. The total valuation for the VIX has showed up, so the premium is 600 plus 615 plus. The valuation is just 100 points, so today 200 points, maximum 250 points, but it's trading at 550, so 400 points odd, 450 points odd. It has a high premium. They want to melt before expiry. Hyper volatile week it's going to be next week. Please take care about your trades. Stay happy, stay humble, be safe, don't overtrade, stay away from the terminal, log out, enjoy a complete trading day. Take care. Jai Hind. Bye bye.